Creating an animated video on Procreate is very simple. All you need to do is first select a canvas of your preference by clicking on this plus sign. Choose a screen size that you like. Then click on Actions, and under Canvas you will see something called as Animation Assist. Enable it. If you have enabled it, you will see something called as a play option appearing at the bottom of the screen. Now all you need to do is start creating your image on this canvas. Each layer that you build here will act as a frame on your animated video. The idea was to create a beautiful landscape first, and I made something like this. You need to ensure that whatever background you are creating is acting as a frame background as well. How you do that is, after you have selected the animated assist, you need to long press on the background frame and you need to enable this background option. All you need to do is start building on your layers. I have created a lady here. I can show you an initial image of the lady, and each frame of this lady will act as an animated video. All these layers will act as a frame. As you notice, you can see those frames appearing in here as well. Now all you need to do is click on the play button and watch your animation go live.